In this video, we will learn how to insert text and image on a Google site. We'll see how to add pages, and we'll understand how to publish the site once it's ready to go. So I have my new site that I've set up. It's called my practice site. If I want to add text to this particular page, I go over to the right-hand side. I'm on Insert. I can click the text box to add text, which will add it to the bottom of the page. I can then type in my information, whatever that might be. It's as simple as that. I can do formatting. I can adjust from normal text. If I want to turn this into a heading or a subheading or what have you, I have some alignment options. I can insert a link, and finally I can delete the title if I so choose. I can also delete the selection from over on the left hand side, and then I have some background options as well that I can choose from. To insert an image, again, I go over to the right hand side. I'm still on Insert. I simply click the icon and word for image. I had previously done a search for dogs, and so I want to choose this cute little puppy right here, and that is what we want. So I'm going to select it, and it's going to then embed that image beneath the My Info section that I had just created. I can move these around if I want. If I want the little pup to show up above my info, I can do that. And I do have some cropping options as well. I can click that, and I can adjust the crop one way or the other. Click that, and that's the image that I have selected. And again, I have a few other choices. I could turn that into a clickable link if I so chose, or I could delete that particular tile completely. And that is how you add titles, text box, and images to the new Google Sites. To add a page, if I wanted to add a second page to this site, I'm going to go up to the top to the navigation over in the upper right, and I'm going to click Pages. And it shows me my navigation, the structure that I've currently got. I've only got a home page. If I want to add a new page, I can hover over this, and it will tell me that this is the icon to add page. So I'm going to click that. I can title it. I'm sure you'd want to be more creative than that, but that would be the title for my second page. I'm going to click Done, and now it's going to bring me to a blank page 2 where I can rename it, something a little bit more clever, perhaps, something like that. Again, I have the ability to adjust the title, turn it into a heading or subheading, whatever I choose. I can adjust the alignment. I could turn this into a clickable link, or once again, I could delete it. And that is how you add a page. Once you've added the page, you can now start the insert process as we did on the home page. I could add text boxes, I could add images, I could embed a URL, or I could do an upload. And I can add in information from Google Drive, embed things from YouTube or the calendar, Google Docs, and so on. Lots of functionality here over in the Insert section to make this page come to life. I can go to the Publish box up at the top to publish this particular site. I'm going to first click the down arrow and take a look at my publishing settings. I've already gone in and named this site. If I wanted to change that, I can do so right here. This part of the URL is adjustable, all about dogs, and it will tell you that one is a great address, but it is already taken. So I'm going to say by GT. That's kind of not a great name. That wouldn't be a great URL, but that's what I'm going to go with. That one is available for the purposes of demonstration. Click Save, and it is going to save your settings. To publish it, I'm going to just click Publish, and it is going to now publish this particular website. Your site has been published successfully. I can also view the published site from up here. There we go. And that's what it looks like. Fantastic. That's it. You've just learned how to insert text and images to Google Sites, add pages to Google Sites, and publish your site once it's done.